You probably heard homeowners today have a lot of equity, but what does that actually mean for you? Equity is the portion of your home you truly own. And for many homeowners right now, it's six figures. In fact, the average US homeowner has nearly 300,000 in equity. That's not just a number. That's leverage. That's opportunity. It could help you move into a home that better fits your life today, fund renovations, or even take the next financial step you've been thinking about. If you're even considering making a move this year, you need to know your real number. Request your free home equity analysis to discover your home's true value and the opportunities it could open up for your next move. DM me equity or click the link to request yours.